Is your after-treatment system using too much DEF fluid or causing a white buildup on your exhaust pipes, resulting in different engine codes and your truck falling out of emission compliance, taking you off the road and money out of your pocket? It's time to put an end to your troubles and find your complete solution. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide technical service, accurate parts ordering, and fast shipping, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this new dosing module for the Cummins ISX, ISB, ISC, and ISL. Highway and Heavy Parts only sells dosing injector modules that are manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility using top-of-the-line machining and measuring equipment to ensure each part is manufactured to OEM specifications. Guaranteed to meet the requirements and lower emissions from your engine while also improving your fuel economy. Quality, superior performance, and increased durability. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical expertise, quality diesel parts, fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.